Welcome to this guided meditation designed specifically for moments when you might feel paranoid or overwhelmed by suspicious thoughts. And so in this practice on Declutter the Mind, we will use mindfulness techniques inspired by Vipassana to help you recognize and process these feelings without becoming consumed by them. And so in mindfulness, paranoia is viewed as a strong emotional response, often rooted in past experiences or fears of the future. And like all feelings, paranoia comes and goes. And so with mindful attention, we can observe it without judgment. And before we begin, if at any point you feel more comfortable keeping your eyes open, please do so. Do whatever feels right for you. Remember, this is your practice. Feel free to make it your own. And so to start, find a comfortable position, whether it's sitting on a chair or on the floor or lying down. Ensure your back is straight but not tense. Place your hands in your lap or on your sides. And start by taking in a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs fill up. And then exhale slowly through your mouth. And let's do this 3 times, drawing attention to the sensations of breathing. And now shift your attention to your body, starting from the top of your head, slowly moving your awareness downwards. And as you scan, notice any sensations, any tension or warmth. And then whenever you find areas of tension, try to relax with each out breath. And sit here for the next few moments. And as you continue to breathe and as you wind down from this scan, let's gently turn our attention to the feeling of paranoia. You may notice it as a tightening in the chest, a swirling in the stomach, or perhaps it manifests as rapid thoughts. And without judgment, we simply observe these sensations and thoughts, remembering that they are just that, sensations and thoughts. They are not you, and they do not define your reality. And so to help with this, imagine that these feelings and thoughts are like clouds passing in the sky. Some are dark, some are heavy, and others are light and wispy. And observe them without trying to change them, trying to resist them. Just knowing that, like all clouds, they will eventually drift away. And if you're finding it difficult to detach from these feelings, let's ground ourselves. Let's focus on the physical sensations around you. So feel the surface beneath you. Feel the air on your skin, or any ambient sounds in the background. Just anchoring ourselves in the present moment, allowing us to better observe our feelings without being swept away by them or caught up by them for the next few moments. And now let's use our breath here to further ground ourselves. Taking a deep breath in for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. And exhale for a count of 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And do this a few times. This controlled breathing can help calm the nervous system and reduce feelings of unease. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just be with it for the next few moments. And in your mind, or out loud if you're comfortable, repeat the following affirmation. I am present. I am safe. I am in control of my reactions. And slowly start to deepen your breath again, bringing more energy into your body with each inhalation. And then whenever you are ready, if your eyes are closed, you can gently blink them open, taking a moment here to notice your surroundings, the colors, the sounds, how your body feels. And just remembering that it's natural for feelings like paranoia to arise. And through mindfulness, we can create a space between our reactions and our responses, giving us the power to choose how we engage with our feelings. Thanks for sitting today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.